Hello students, today I will discuss exercise 9.2. Question number first. Question number first, a figure is given just like this and this. This is a slant line intersecting line this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Right? Identify each of the given pair of angle, alternate interior angle, co-interior angle, co or corresponding angles or none of these in the given figure. First question, angle 2 and 6, angle 2 and angle 6, angle 2 और एंगल 6. ये देखिए ये स्ट्रेट लाइन के ऊपर, ये भी स्ट्रेट लाइन के ऊपर. These angle corresponding, right? Second question, angle 1 and angle 6, angle 1 और एंगल 6, कोई भी नेम नहीं है इसका, तो नन, कोई रिलेशन नहीं. थर्ड एंगल 3, एंगल 5, एंगल 3 and एंगल 5, alternate angle, alternate. Fourth question, angle 2 and 7, angle 2 and angle 7, angle 2 and angle 7. Yes, angle 2 and angle 7, कोई भी रिलेशन नहीं है. देखिए ऊपर है और ये इसके नीचे है, तो नन. Question fifth, 3 and 6, angle 3 and angle 6, angle 3 and 6, 3 और 6. ये देखिए इसके अंदर है, ये भी इसके अंदर है. को इंटीरियर एंगल, को इंटीरियर एंगल. आफ्टर दिस 6 question, angle 4 and 8, angle 4 and angle 8, एंगल 4, 8. ये स्ट्रेट लाइन के नीचे, ये भी स्ट्रेट लाइन, करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल, करस्पॉन्डिंग, राइट. आफ्टर दिस look question number second. Yes, question number second, figure is given. This is A and this is B, and this is a slant line. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? First part. If A parallel to B, A parallel to B, यानी ये लाइन इस लाइन के पैरेलल है, and angle 1 equal to angle 5, angle 1 equal to angle 5. तो ये क्या होगा, करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल है, ये भी स्ट्रेट लाइन के ऊपर, ये भी, तो करस्पॉन्डिंग second part, if angle 4 equal to angle 6, then A parallel to B. 4 equal to 6, देखिए Z की शेप बन रही है. 4 equal to 6 alternate angle. Alternate. Question third. Angle 4 plus 5. If angle 4 plus angle 5 180 degree. 4 plus 5 180, then A parallel to B. 4 plus 5 co-interior angle. Co-interior angle, right? Co-interior angle. After this, question number third. Question third, first part. A figure just like this given. This is slant line. And this is 100. This is x. X equal to 100 degree. Corresponding angle. Corresponding. Second part. Second part, this line parallel to this line, right? And this is a slant line. This angle x, this is 110. You have to calculate the value of x. X plus 110 equal to 180 co-interior angle. 180 minus 110, x equal to 70 degree. This is your answer. Now after this, next part third. This line and this line, these lines are parallel. X and this is 110, right? You know about these angles. This is 110, this is also 110 because these angles are vertically opposite. X plus 110 equal to 180 co-interior angle. Co-interior angle, x equal to 180 minus 110, x equal to 70 degree, right? After this, question number 4. Question 4. Two lines are parallel just like this, and this is a slant line, and this is given 2x plus 6. And this is 3x plus 54. 3x plus 54. You know about these two angles are co-interior angle. 2x plus 6 and 3x plus 54 equal to 180 co-interior angle, right? 2x, 3x, 5x, 6 plus 54, 60, 180, 5x equal to 180 minus 60, 180 minus 60, 5x equal to 120, x equal to 120 upon 2, 5 2 is 5 4 24, and you have to find the value of x. This is your answer. Next, second part of this question. Second part, this is a straight line given and these two lines are parallel. Three x plus 30 and this angle 2x plus 15. You know about this angle and this angle, these angles are vertically opposite. 3x plus 30, 2x plus 15 plus 3x plus 30 equal to 180 co-interior angle. 2x, 3x, 5x. 15 plus 30, 45. 180, 5x equal to 180 minus 45. 5x equal to 10 minus 5, 5. 7 minus 4, 3. X equal to 135 upon 5. 5 2 is 5 7, 27. This is your answer. Next, question number 5. Question number 5, part 1. Two parallel lines are given and this is a transversal line or slant line. This is y, this is x, and this is 60, and you have to find out the value of x and y. X equal to 60 vertically opposite, right? X equal to y equal to 60 corresponding angle, right? Next, second part. Two parallel lines are given and one transversal line. This is an angle is given 135 and Q, and this is P. You know Q equal to 135 vertically opposite. P plus Q, interior co-interior. P plus Q equal to 180 co-interior angle. Q is 135. 180, P equal to 180 minus 135. P equal to 45, right? After this, third part. Third part is given two parallel lines just like this, and this is the transversal line. This is 70 and this is A and this is B. A equal to 70. Look, this is the alternate angle. Alternate. A plus B on the straight line. So these angles are linear pair. A plus B equal to 180 linear pair angle, right? A equal to 70 plus B, 180, B equal to 180 minus 70, B equal to 110, right? Next, third part. Third complete, fourth. Third is complete. Fourth part. Two parallel lines are given just like this, and this is a slant line or transversal line. You can say slant line or transversal line. This is X, this is 128, this is X, and this is Y, and this is Z, right? So Z equal to 128, corresponding angle, corresponding X plus 28, 128 equal to 180 linear pair. Linear pair. X equal to 180 minus 128. 10 minus 8 2, 7 minus 2 5. 52, and X equal to Y equal to 52, corresponding angle. Corresponding angle. Right? So finally X equal to 52, Y equal to 52, Z equal to 128. These are answers, right? Next question. Yes. Fifth part. Two parallel lines are given and one transversal line just like this, and this is A, this is B, this is 75, this is C, and this is D. You know B equal to 75, vertically opposite. You know C equal to 75, corresponding. And A plus 75 equal to 180 linear pair. A equal to 180 minus 75. A equal to 105. Right? After this, B, C, D. Now look, C plus D. C plus D, 180 linear pair, right? C is 75 plus D equal to 180 D equal to 180 minus 75. D equal to 105. Right? After this, question number 6 part of this question. 6 part. Last question of the day. Two parallel lines and one transversal line, just like this. This is P, this is Q, this is 62, and this is R, this is S, right? Q plus 62, P equal to 62, P equal to 62, corresponding. Q plus 62 equal to 180, linear pair. Q equal to 180 minus 62. 10 minus 2, 8, 7 minus 6, 1, 118. And P equal to X, P equal to S equal to 62. Corresponding angle, right? Now look, R. P plus R equal to 180, co-interior angle. Interior, P is 62 plus R 180, R equal to 180 minus 62, R equal to 10 minus 2, 8, 7 minus 6, 1, 118. Thank you.